This title feels like clickbait, but it really isn't. The number one skill you can have as a GM is the same as the number one skill you can have in all relationships with anyone in life, and that is listening. Listen to your players. Really listen to what they want. Listen to whether they are frustrated, whether they feel stuck, whether they feel inspired, and then build off of that. It feels obvious, but it's one of the hardest things to do. I used to be one of those GMs that feel all the pressure is on me. I need to tell a great story. I need to have great encounters ready. I need to do this and this. But the best encounter and best plot reveal and best surprise and best encounter or enemy at the wrong time, and the players aren't ready for it, where pacing's off, where energy's off, where players already feel threatened and they don't want even more stress on their plate. There can be a billion reasons, right? The right thing at the wrong time isn't good. And that's what listening gives you. And that's why checking in with players and asking them good questions of like, how's everyone feeling right now? Is Mariah the wizard feeling despondent after that last encounter? Probe them about their characters. Not just their characters, them. To decide what type of scene do I want next? What do you think would fit them? And you need to improvise. You can't have a script of these are the scenes where we are going to railroad them and this is the sequence of things that's going to happen. I like having unrelated a set of scenes that can potentially happen in the setting with broad outlines, and I get a much richer, better game session if I just sit for a moment and put away my own stresses about, is the session going well? Where is it headed? And I just look in front of me and listen to players and go, they seem a bit bored. They need excitement. They need an ambush. Oh no, they seem a bit stressed. They seem like this was a big scene. Time for the pacing to dip a bit. Let's have a scene at the bar that a bard performs at the bar, and they're going to join in the sing-song, and now it's just going to be RP shenanigans. This is going to be a palate cleanser. Just making up random ideas now, but you guys get it. See what the energy in the room is, what the individual players on their story arcs kind of need, and make a decision ad hoc. This is far harder than pre-scripting everything along a fixed railroad. But if you pull it off and you become this conductor of energy at the table, your players will constantly feel like you're catering to their needs. You're there to entertain all of them. God, this sounds so daunting, I know. But as it becomes muscle memory and you become this conductor of energy, your sessions will need less prep. They'll be more exciting, and people will go home feeling heard and seen and like their characters really, really matter. Your games will really be taken to the next level with this one. And it's the hardest thing you'll ever master. You'll never master it, actually. You can only get better at this as life continues, but start on that journey. It's the best thing you can do. Ramble done. Thanks for watching.